Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore a new word together. Our word of the day is delicious. What does delicious mean? Well, it's a very simple word that we use all the time. Delicious is an adjective, and it means tastes very good. Think about your favorite food. When you eat it and it makes you smile, that's probably delicious. We use the word delicious to describe food that we really enjoy. So, instead of just saying it tastes good, you can say it's delicious to show that you like it a lot. Now, let's look at some synonyms for delicious. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. A few words that are similar to delicious are tasty, yummy, and flavorful. For example, instead of saying this cake is delicious, you could say this cake is tasty. See how it has the same meaning? Or if you're talking to a child, you might say, this ice cream is yummy. That's a fun and informal way to say it's delicious. Another synonym is flavorful. You might say, this soup is very flavorful with lots of different spices. Flavorful means that the food has a strong and pleasant taste. Here are some more examples of using the synonyms in sentences. The pizza was so tasty that I ate the whole thing myself. Or, my mom's cookies are always yummy, especially when they're still warm from the oven. And the curry was incredibly flavorful, with hints of ginger and chili. Now, let's talk about antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. What's the opposite of delicious? Well, some antonyms could be disgusting, awful, or bland. If something is disgusting, it means it tastes very bad, the opposite of delicious. You might say, the spoiled milk was disgusting. If something is awful, it also means it tastes very bad. The burnt toast tasted awful. And if something is bland, it means it doesn't have much flavor at all. The soup was so bland that I had to add salt and pepper. Here are some examples of using these antonyms in sentences. The old sandwich I found in my bag was absolutely disgusting. I had to throw it away. The coffee tasted awful this morning. I think the machine needs cleaning. The rice was bland and needed some soy sauce to give it flavor. So, delicious means it tastes very good, and disgusting, awful, and bland mean it doesn't taste good at all. Now, let's see how we can use delicious in everyday life. Imagine you're at a restaurant. The waiter asks you how your food is, and you can say, this is delicious. Thank you. Or, if you're at a friend's house for dinner, you can tell them, the meal was absolutely delicious. You can also use delicious to talk about things you're looking forward to eating. For example, you might say, I'm really looking forward to having a delicious slice of cake after dinner. Or, you can describe something as delicious even before you taste it, if it looks appealing. You might say, that pie looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Here are some more examples. The delicious aroma of freshly baked bread filled the kitchen. She made a delicious chocolate cake for his birthday. We had a delicious picnic lunch in the park. I always look forward to a delicious cup of coffee in the morning. This delicious ice cream is the perfect treat on a hot day. Now, let's recap. Delicious means something tastes very good. Some synonyms are tasty, yummy, and flavorful. Some antonyms are disgusting, awful, and bland. And you can use delicious in many everyday situations to describe food that you enjoy. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you learned something new about the word delicious. Now, for our call to action. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English too. And I have a challenge for you. Try to use the word delicious today. Think about something you eat and describe it using this word. For example, this apple is delicious. Now, I want you to create your own sentence using the word delicious and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to read your sentences. See you next time on Hello Word.